Alright, good morning guys, YouTube people, world, whoever. Got the front diff fluid changing. How dirty my clothes are from work. Nasty. Anyway, we got a lug stud conversion kit from Eurotuning.com. Eurotuning Performance and OEM European parts store. Eurotuning.com. Anyway, I'll put a link for this kit I purchased. It comes with 20 studs, conversion studs, 14 millimeter by 1.5. It comes with these ball seats. You have to order the kit. So basically it's lug studs. You pick your length. I'm doing stock length. You can do, it says up to 3 millimeter spacer. I'm not using any spacer. I'm sticking with the stock wheel. So anyway, I believe these are 68 millimeter total. So 68 millimeters completely, I think. I might be wrong. Anyway, regardless if I'm wrong or right. So you pick the studs, the length you want, then you pick the lug nuts. If you just want the studs and you already have lug nuts, then you just order the lug nuts or lug studs. And these are, I think like 70 bucks. Then you pick the lug nuts you want. I went with an OEM style lug nut. So hopefully I can retain the lug cap that's on there. And yeah, and then you pick whether you're using stock wheels. If you're using stock wheels, you're supposed to use these, which I don't really get. I don't understand. Should be the same taper or whatnot, but anyway. So it comes with 20 lug studs. If you order lug nuts, it comes with 20 lug nuts and 20 ball seats. And then you can choose to get Loctite. I chose to get Loctite because I know once I did the project, I probably have 10 bottles of this, and once I start doing this, I'll probably be out for some reason. It'll just disintegrate. So anyway, the total order was, let me read this. I think it was 118 bucks. But anyway, you can go on there and look up all those. You can screenshot this. Those are the SKU number, part numbers. Right there, quantity 20, those, quantity 20. And yeah, so that's the whole kit number right there. The VELT PSCK 1415-68, being 1415 is 14 millimeter by 1.5, 68 millimeter. So yeah, the overall length of those studs are 68 millimeter, and it's 48 millimeter is whatever. So anyway, that's the whole description. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so it's what I'm gonna do. So I gotta pull all these little cap things off inside here, and then I'm gonna pull the wheel off, and you're gonna need some brake clean. You could use a thread chaser to clean the threads just in case there's any anti-seize in there. You're permanently mounting these studs. So you want to make sure the threads inside your hub are completely clean, free of grease, anti-seize, anything, completely clean. And then you'll use the red Loctite because that's a permanent Loctite. And then I believe you torque these to, I can't remember, 35 foot-pounds or something. You don't have to go too crazy. So anyway, yeah, let me pull these caps off, pull the wheel off. I got the rear diff fluids changed. And then, yeah, so let me take this wheel off real quick. All right, so I got the wheel off. Took a little wire brush, little wire thing on a drill, and anyway, so these cannot retain your caps. Didn't know that, but anyway. So, I do notice that my lug bolts are clean and dry. There's no grease, there's no film on them, which means that there's no NICs. So all I gotta do is that is going to the back e-brake deal. So anyway, yeah. Oh, that looks like anti-seize. Anyway, I'm gonna, yeah, let me clean them a little better. I'm gonna stick a little big Q-tip or rag or something in there and clean those threads out really good. And then, yeah, while this is drying, I'll take the other wheel off. I'm gonna do the rears first. I do notice that the shock looks like it's leaking, so might be in the market for some shocks. Shocks. Anyway, all right, yeah, let me go get something. I'll clean these up, but basically that's what you need to do. I would recommend cleaning this surface and then cleaning those threads out really good. And then while I have the wheels off, I am going to clean the back side of the wheels in here. So like all that stuff right there, and just the other goop and stuff can cause, you know, balancing problems, like old tape. So anyway, I'm gonna clean these wheels up also. So all this stuff I'm not gonna do on camera because it'll be forever. Yeah, so I'll be back once I do the lug studs. Once I put them in, I'll show you. It's real simple. You just lock tight, screw it in, torque it down, call it done basically. And then tire shop's lives or your life, if you rotate your tires, your life, tire shop lives will be 1,000,000 times easier. All right, so I got passenger side all cleaned out. What I ended up using is some rifle barrel or pistol barrel Q-tips. It's for a 50 millimeter. I just spray brake clean, shoved it in the hole, spun it, cleaned this off, did it. And yeah, they're all clean now. So got nothing. So I'm just gonna spray that one down so it don't have my finger grease. One thing that some videos are not mentioning to do is to clean the studs themselves. Little rag. So I'm sure these lug studs right here, they probably have some sort of lubricant on them when they cut them, when they manufacture them. So I'm just gonna spray 5 of them real quick to get the whatever cutting oil or whatever they use, and we'll let those dry, which won't take long because it's hot. So as you can see, so a lot of people are doing 25 foot-pounds of torque. I'm going to torque these down to 30, and see if they even fit. Do they even fit? Nope, they don't fit. So you can see they don't go in. Well, I guess they do go in pretty far. So they don't look like they go in far. But if you look at the lug bolts, you can see the wear compared to how far these go in. So it looks like these go in a little bit farther. So anyway, yeah, so let me throw some Loctite on here, torque them down, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, I guess. So let me do that real quick and show you guys finished product. Okay, so there we have it. Just got this little tool in one of the slots, and I just torqued them all to 30 foot-pounds. So as you can see, 30 foot-pounds. So that's pretty much all there is. And then the seats, I have not checked these weird little things, but kind of wondering if they go on the lug nuts like that, but it almost seems like it's the same angle to me. I don't know. You guys tell me, because I know what's going to happen is they're going to lose them all at the tire store. So anyway, just see this. Oh, you know what? They're not. So those are more of a ball. Those are tapered, and those are a ball. Okay, makes sense now. So if you're using a stock wheel from these, those are a ball seat, which is I think why they call them. Yep. Ball seat conversion. So those are more shaped more round, however you want to word it. And these are straight up tapered acorn style. So you will need these. That means the tire shop's gonna cry. Oh well. Alright guys, that's it for this side. I gotta do the other side. It looks like a race car now. Anyway, yeah, so I gotta do that side. That's pretty much it. This is the end of the video, because I'm not throwing a wheel on there, because I'm gonna clean the back sides of these wheels. And then, yeah, I gotta figure out a way to fill the front diff. Anyway, that's a different video. But anyway, all right, guys, that's it. There will be a link in the video description below, down there, how to do this. Just so you guys know, I'm doing about 4 different videos in one. Rear diff, transfer case, front diff fluid change, and these. So, I got a lot going on. So, and then I got to do a wheel cleaning, but that's another video too. All right, so that's it. We'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys go check them out. Eurotuning.com. No sponsor, no affiliate. They didn't send me these. I paid for them. So just make sure you clean. Brake clean, clean the threads on the studs. And like I said earlier, red Loctite, empty. New one, other one. So I'm almost out, and then that's the new one. So like I said, you think you have some until you don't. Just buy some with the kit. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.